So converting a 4-way blow cassette on the Mr. Slim range to being a 3-way blow. First things first, isolate the unit. Then we're going to drop down the front grille. Then we need to take out the corner panel relating to the actual louver. Then we're going to disconnect the motor. There's no feedback loop on this motor, so when we disconnect it, it won't set up a fault code. We'll just put that cable somewhere nice and out of the way. So open up that louver, and then we need to find something to block off that airflow, so something like a piece of Armorflex. And we push that through, and we actually block off the airflow itself. Obviously front and rear, then close that louver flat, and that'll stop the airflow. And we can replace the panel. And don't forget to put the screw back in place. Close the grill up. And then we need to do some setup work on the controller to tell it it's only working on 3-way. So select on the mode button, and we're going to scroll down to service menu. Give that a tick, and then we're going to put in the code of 4 nines. Give that a tick, and scroll down to function setting. And it's going to ask you for the refrigerant address. We've only got one system here, so it's 0. And it's going to ask you for which one of the indoor units. Now, I'm going to select all and give that a tick. Scroll down to mode 9. Now, mode 9 is to do with the louvers and how many we're working with. Now, you notice that the fans have now come on the actual indoor unit. That's just to confirm which units you're actually playing with. Now, I'm going to put that from mode 9 option 1 to option 2. Give that a tick. That's now sending the data to the indoor unit, and that's now set it so that it's working with 3 air outlets rather than 4. So that's reduced the amount of refrigerant going through the indoor unit, and it's also reduced the amount of air volume to suit 3 air outlets rather than 4. Press the back button, back out again, and it'll come out of that function.